Let's look at Chapter 3, Lesson 6, Extension, Multiple Shipments. The erasers are still packed by tens, so remember that we're working in tens still. For numbers 1 through 4, find the total number of erasers to be shipped. That's the first thing that we have to do. And the second thing, show how the erasers should be packed using the least number of containers. Okay? So let's look at this. I have 3 shipments of 2 boxes, 1 pack, and 4 individual erasers. So what I can do is that I know that 1 box equals 100. I know that 1 pack equals 10. And then when we get to crates, I'm going to also know that a crate equals 1,000. So looking at this, I have 2 boxes. So I know that 2 boxes is going to be 200. I have 1 pack, which is 10, and 4 individual erasers. So I'm going to add that up. 4, 1, 2. So it looks like I have 214. But remember, you have 3 shipments of 214. So what you need to do now is go 214, and you could add 214 plus 214 plus 214, but an easier way would be to multiply it by 3. 3 times 4 is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. So I know that the shipment should have 642 erasers. Now the second part of this problem says that I need to show how the erasers should be packed using the least amount of containers. So I can look at the number, which is 642, and the 2 is going to be the individual. So I can put my 2 dots down. The 4 is going to be the packs. And the 6 is going to be the box. So this is how I would pack it to use the least number of containers. Let's move on to number 2, which is 5 shipments of 6 packs and 4 individual erasers. Well, I know that 1 pack is 10, so 6 packs is going to be 60 plus 4 individual erasers. So I know that in each shipment it's going to be 64. But I have 5 shipments, so I need to take 64 and multiply it by 5. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2, 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So I know that in all 5 shipments I have 320 erasers. So after I know that, I can draw the correct shipment packages. So looking at this, in the ones column I have 0, so I have 0 individual erasers. I have 2 packs, and then I have 3 boxes. Let's move on to number 3. I have 2 shipments of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 boxes, so I know that each box is 100, so 6 boxes would be 600. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, and each pack's 10, so 5 packs would be 50. I'm going to add that up, and I have 650 in all. But that's just 1 shipment. I have 2 shipments, so I need to do 650, and I could add 650 again, or I can multiply it by 2. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So altogether I have 1,300 erasers. Make sure you include that comma. So now looking at this, I need to figure out how I would draw that. So I can look in my ones column, which is 0, so I have 0 dots, because that's individual erasers. Look in my tens column, which is 0, so I have 0 packs. Look in my hundreds column, I have 3 boxes. And then look in my thousands column, and I have 1 crate. Let's move on to number 4. I have 4 shipments of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes. I know 1 box is 100, so 7 boxes would be 700. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs, which would be 80. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 individuals. So I'm going to add that up. And I get 784. But I need to take that and multiply it by 4 because I have 4 shipments, not just the 1. So let's multiply. I have 16, carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33, carry the 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 more is 31. Put the comma. 3,136. So that's how many I have. Now I need to go ahead and draw that out so I have a representation in my shorthand. So let's look at the ones column. In the ones column I have a 6, so I need to have 6 individual. In the tens column I have 3, so I need to have 3 packs. In the hundreds column I have a 1, so I need to have 1 box. And in the thousands column I have a 3, so I need to have 3 crates. Make your drawings as best as you can. They don't have to be perfect, as long as I can tell it's a crate.